Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PlayStation 5 controller. So if you have like a SIM card opener or something like that for your cell phone, you can kind of see what this looks like. We can just flip our controller around and you can see it's turned on. We can go to this small little hole on the back here and we can put this in there and just press it down for a few seconds. My controller is going to turn off and then we can just press the PlayStation button and turn it back on. Now it should connect wirelessly back up to your PlayStation 5. Another thing that you could try real quick, if you don't have this little tool around, just hold down the button on the controller for about 5 to 10 seconds and it will turn it off. And a lot of times if I'm having weird issues with my controller, I can just turn it off and turn it back on and it will start working again. So I'll have this weird issue where my guide just keeps spinning or something like that because the thumbstick is messed up. But go ahead and just try that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.